Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to maintain your skincare routine while being at home. We are in lockdown and we are not going to salon anytime soon. So it is very important to maintain your skincare routine, and I suggest doing some facial and some skincare routine at home. So today we are going to discuss that. And hello, if you're new to my channel, my name is Sakhi. Consider subscribing to my channel. I post interesting videos like this on a regular basis. And अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझने में प्रॉब्लम है तो आप इस वीडियो में हिंदी सबटाइटल्स चालू कर सकते हैं, तो आप ये वीडियो अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. So without further ado, let's get started. I have ordered this Lakme Absolute facial kit, and I've ordered this from Nykaa and they are delivering this even though there's a lockdown. I ordered this for 350 rupees, and obviously you can use the at-home ingredients like sugar and turmeric or curd, but I prefer this for complete facial routine because it gives salon-like results. I love Lakme Salon for their skincare services and especially their products. And this product is of same quality as of professional skincare products which they use at salon, so it's bound to give salon-like results. Now this box comes with 5 tubes like this, and they are face wash, scrub, massaging cream, face mask and a moisturizing gel. So this has a clear guidelines how you are going to use this in these steps, like they are mentioned here. And these tubes are of this size, so I think this will last for at least 2 to 3 uses, so you can use the same facial kit for 2 to 3 times. These products are to be used one after another, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So first we will be starting with the preparation of a skin. We will be first taking a steam because it opens the clogged pores and it makes all these products to be absorbed easily, and which gives maximum benefits. For starting, I don't have a professional steamer, so I'm using this kettle which can generate enough amount of steam. And additionally, I'm using this essential oil. You can add mint or dry herbs so that your experience is more salon-like. So after taking a steam for about 5 minutes, I'm just dabbing it, and we'll be starting with the face wash first. So I'm applying this face wash all over my skin and I'm going to wash it off. Now I'm done with the face wash. I'm just dabbing my skin. Next one we'll be using is this scrub. You can apply the scrub and rub gently. This will open your pores and make sure that there is no dirt in the skin pores. So I've washed off the scrub after scrubbing around for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm using this massaging gel, and you are supposed to massage for at least 10 minutes using this gel so that you get proper circulation on your face. So you are applying this cream first evenly and then gently massaging outwards in this area and then upward here. Like this. Circular motion here. You can also massage outwards. So after you are done with massaging upwards and in the circular motion for about 10 minutes, you are leaving this gel on your face, you are not washing it off, and then you are applying this mask. Now I'm applying this face mask and leave it until it's dry. Apply evenly all over your face. You can apply a thin layer, I guess that is sufficient. Don't forget to apply it to your neck also and cover the whole face area, leaving your eyes. So I'm leaving this for 10 minutes at least up till it's dry, and then I'm washing it off. Now I have washed off the mask and I can really see the effect, like you can see how this thing is glowing. And now I'm using this serum. This cream is just after you eat, you can just apply it in a little portion, and it gives you moisture. Just gently massaging this. So that is the whole procedure, and you're done with the facial. So this is the end of the skincare routine. I always love Lakme products when it comes to skincare, and because they're really great, and the effect of this facial will be much more visible after 2 to 3 days. Right now you can see how it is glowing, so it is definitely showing its results, and it is definitely giving salon-like results. And no, this video is not sponsored at all. I just love this product and I want to share it with you guys, so I'm doing this video. I also recommend doing all this procedure at night, because at night your skin will get a chance to absorb these nutrients really well, and the effects will be much more better. With that said, this is the end of this video. Do let me know what do you think about this video. I'll link these products on the description box down below. You can definitely purchase it and get it during this lockdown also. Consider subscribing to my channel, and do like this video and share it with your friends. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.